Welcome to this guide on how to report a pin on Pinterest, updated for 2025. If you've come across a pin that you believe violates your rights or is inappropriate, reporting it is a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to locate the specific pin you want to report. This could be a pin that's misleading, contains inappropriate content, or has been stolen from your original work. After finding the pin, tap on it to open it. This will give you a closer look at the content and provide options for further action. Below the pin, you'll see a menu represented by three dots. Click on these three dots to reveal additional options. Now, select Report Pin from the drop-down menu. Pinterest will prompt you to choose the purpose of your report. This could range from copyright infringement to inappropriate content. Make sure to select the option that best describes your reason for reporting. Once you've made your selection, click Report. This action submits your report to Pinterest for review. It's important to note that Pinterest takes these reports seriously and will investigate the issue based on the information provided. After reporting, you might receive a confirmation message indicating that your report has been successfully submitted. Pinterest typically reviews reports promptly and will take appropriate action based on their findings. In summary, if you encounter a pin that needs reporting, remember these steps. Open the Pinterest app, find and open the pin, click on the three dots, select Report Pin, choose your reason, and then click Report. By following these steps, you contribute to maintaining a safe and respectful community on Pinterest. Thank you for taking the time to learn how to report pins effectively.